Hello friends, in this video we are going to be start our new chapter which is circle. Okay, so everyone know what is mean by circle. If I will tell you to make, if I will standing here, if I will ask you for making to make a circle around me, what you will do? The students will be like this. They will stand. Okay, clear? Okay, so from me the distance from the student will be same. That means if I will measure the distance from point here to this person will be equal to the point which is standing here. Okay, that means I will be the center point and around me they will make a circle. So basically what is mean by circle? A circle is all the point in a plane, in the same plane that lies at an equal distance from a center. Means from this center, as you can see here, from this center the distance between the boundary of this will be the boundary of a circle. Okay, so the distance between from this point to here will be same. If it is 2 centimeter, this also will be 2 centimeter. This if it is 2 centimeter, from the distance from O to here also will be 2 centimeter. Clear? Means the boundary of a circle will be equally distant from the center. You can measure from each and every direction, you will find the same only distance. Clear? Okay, so now we can talk about circle. Now here you can see radius, chord and diameter. Now what is meant by radius, chord and diameter? Okay, so we'll going to be learn about what is meant by radius, chord and diameter and what is the role of these three in the circle. Okay, first of all we're going to be learn about what is meant by radius. Okay, as you can see here I have drawn a circle and it is the center of a circle. I told you the center point is called a center of a circle. Now this will be the boundary. Okay, the boundary of a circle. I told you what is mean by circle. The distance from the center to the boundary of a circle will be same in each and every size. Okay, if you will measure from here, if it is 3 centimeter, this measurement also will be 3 centimeter. This measurement also will be 3 centimeter. Okay, so now first of all we are going to be learn about what is meant by radius. Basically radius is a distance between center to boundary of a circle. That means this distance from the center to a boundary of a circle, whatever the distance will be there, this will be your radius, and radius is usually denoted as r. Clear? So this will be the radius. What is meant by radius? Radius is the distance between center to boundary of a circle. This also will be the radius. This also will be the radius. This also will be the radius. Means from the center. I am not talking about boundary. I am talking about center. From the center to boundary of a circle, the distance will be called radius. Understood? The distance will be radius. Oh, okay. So here this also from the center to boundary of a circle, this also will be radius. Clear? Now you understand what is meant by radius. The distance between center to boundary of a circle will call as a radius. Okay, now we'll talk about diameter. Now we'll talk about diameter. Now what is meant by diameter? Diameter, usually when you will take any line in that circle and that line is passing through center and it will touch to the another boundary of a circle. Like that, if you will start any line from the boundary of a circle, if you will start the line which is touching to the center and it is passing and it will touch to the another boundary of a circle, this will called as a diameter. Understood? When a line is starting from the one boundary of a circle and if it is passing through a center and it is touching to the another boundary of a circle, is called as a diameter. Clear? And it should pass through the center and it should touch in a straight way, that it should pass through a straight way, not it should not turn here and there. It should pass through a straight way and it should make an angle of 180 degree. Clear? It should make a 180 degree. The diameter we can't say like that if it is starting from here and it is passing like that. No, it is not a diameter. Understood? It should make 180 degree. It should make 180 degree and it should be straight and it should be passed through center. Then only that line will called as a diameter. Understood? It should pass through a center and it should touch to another boundary of a circle. And it should make 180 degree at a center. Then only it will become a diameter. Understood? As you can say, this will be your radius plus your radius will become diameter. Okay? R plus R. Radius, I told you it is denoted by R. So R1, R plus R will become a diameter, and diameter we are denoted it by D. Diameter is denoted by D. Clear? Understood? Okay. So now we'll talk about chord. Now chord is a line that will touch two sides of a boundary. That means, and it is not touching to the center. If the line is not touching to the center and touching to the boundary of a circle, that will be a chord. If like that, see, if the line will start from here and it will not touch to the center of a circle and it is touching to the another boundary of a circle, that line will called as a chord. So this is not touching to the center. When the line is touching to the center, that line will become diameter. Hence it is not touching to the center, it is called chord. Understood? It is called chord. So you can give the name also. Here it is A, here it is B. So you can read in such way also. AB is a chord. You can give the name AB. It is AB chord. How we can read? AB or BA. Okay. You can start from here also and here also. Like that also we can give the name to the radius and to the like that. If you want to give the name, you can give the name to radius also. This is the radius. You can give C and O. So how we can read? It is CO radius. CO radius. Okay. Like that, if the line is touching to the diameter, how we can read? Like that. If CD, if we will give the name here D, this will become CD diameter. Like that. CD. You can read like that. Now we almost know about what is meant by radius, what is meant by diameter. Now we are going to learn about how we can measure the angles. How we can draw the circle. Now in the previous that we have learned about radius, chord and diameter. Now in this picture you can see carefully that here one figure is given. like and they are asking about radius and diameter. Okay, so first of all we'll see the figure. Okay, here you can see n m. It is a line m n, one line. I told you if the line is not passing through the center, that line is called as a chord. So this line will be chord. Clear? So here they are asking about chord, so we can write n m n m. How we can read n m? Clear? Now this will be the chord, so remove this. Now radius. What is meant by radius? Radius, I told you, the line which is starting from center to boundary of a circle. Now if you will talk about this line OS, OS will be the radius OS. Clear? We got a one radius. Now we'll talk about OM. OM. This OM also will be a radius. Clear? Because it is starting from O and it is touching to the boundary of M. So this will be OM. Now here also this line also a radius OP. So OP and OT. I told you can read OT. So this will be OT. Now diameter. Diameter, I told you that it should start from a boundary of a circle and it should pass through a center and it should touch to another boundary of a circle. I told you that radius plus radius, this will be a diameter and it should be make 180 degree. So if we will talk about M and T, this line, is this a diameter? Yes, it is a diameter. I told you that radius, this plus this will become diameter. Clear? So diameter will be M and T. M and T. Carefully see here, M and T, because it is a straight line. You can take an M, T. Now we can talk about P and S also. Yes or no? Because it is passing through a center and it is touching to the boundary of a circle. That means PS also will be one of the chord. Understood? Now we will talk about drawing of a circle. Now as we know that for measuring the angle, what we need? We need a protractor. But for drawing a circle, you need a compass. Okay, so what is meant by compass? As you can see here, it is given in your figure. Okay, so like that. If you will see, you will find in a geometry box, you will find an instrument like this. Carefully see this instrument. Okay, so but here this is the adjusting point. As you can see, this will be your adjusting. Like that you can fix the compass. Okay, and here this will be your adjacent. Like that it is rolled. Whenever you have to keep here, it should be, you have to fix the pencil. I don't have pencil right now, so I am using the pen. Okay, like that you have to fix, like that you have to keep, and here with this you have to fix it like tightly. It should not you can't keep this like that. You have to tight it carefully. But after tightening this, what you have to do, you have to take a scale. You have to take a scale and you have to, like that you have to keep here. Like that it should be in both, it should be in the same stage. Okay, you can't keep the pencil like that. No, you can't keep, okay? You can't keep this like this. You have to keep the pencil and this pointing in a same in the same place, okay? Like that. It should be same. Nobody should be moved like that, okay? Now you have to fix it. Oh, understood? Okay, here from here you can fix. It will not like that. You can move also. Now understood what is meant by compass? Now we'll see how we can draw a circle with the help of compass. Now if we will talk about a circle, you know that from a center the line is called radius. Clear? And we are denoting it by r. Understood? Now what is meant by r? You have to take a measurement of a circle. If I will talk about that, if I want to make a circle with a 2 centimeter, that means the distance between from a center to a boundary of a circle, it should be 2 centimeter. Clear? It should be 2 centimeter. Now how we can make a circle of 2 centimeter? What you will do now, for this you need a scale. What you will do, you will mark a 2 centimeter line, okay? So with the help of scale you have to mark a 2 centimeter line in your notebook. I will show you two methods how to draw. In the first method, as we know, we have to draw a 2 centimeter circle. We have to mark a 2 centimeter line in like that, 2 centimeter. Okay. Now what you have to do, you have to measure this. You have to keep your pointing at that one point of a line here, like that. Clear? Now with this hand you have to keep your compass near, and that point, this pointing pen should be on the point on there. Clear? Understood? Now this you will not going to be removed, or you can't keep like that, okay? It should be fixed. If you want to measure a 2 centimeter, you have to be keep like that only, okay? Until and unless you will not draw your circle. So first of all, after taking a measurement, you have taken the measurement, what you will do, you will keep this pointing pen on your notebook, okay? Like that. As you can see here, it is pointing like that. Clear? Now what you will do, just keep your pencil here with the and rotate like that. Don't remove this point, and slowly make a circle, okay? You don't have to remove this point. If you will remove, your circle will not be in a proper measurement. After this, what you will do, you will write here O. This is a circle of having 2 centimeter. From a center to here, this will become 2 centimeter. Understood? Now we are going to make a circle of 10 centimeter. Now first of all, as you know that you have to make a 5 centimeter circle line. First of all, you have to make a line of 5 centimeter here. 5 centimeter. Again the same method, keep your pointing on the one here, and after that you have to measure. It is your 5 centimeter, and don't move. Now what you will do, you will keep this pointing pen. First of all, keep pointing pen like that. Now after that you have to touch your pencil with a smooth hand and you have to make a circle like this. Clear? After making a circle, what you will do, you will write. This will be a 5 centimeter circle. I hope you understand how to make a circle. Okay, so in the next video we are going to be learn about relation between radius and diameter.